guys, in spite of posting today all those cubing videos, today I planned to tell you some useful knowledge about this Rubik's Cube. So please watch this video till end. So let's get started. So first of all, Rubik's Cube was invented in 1974 and first solved in 1975. It was invented by a person called Erno Rubiko in Hungary. If you will turn Rubik's Cube every second, it will take you around 1400 trillion years to go through the every combination, which is insane, right? Also, in both 1981 and 1982, Rubik's Cube was awarded as the Toy of the Year. Yes. So, the first Rubik's Cube world record was held by an American teenager called the Minty, who solved this whole Rubik's Cube in 22.95 seconds. And if you will solve the Rubik's Cube in this much time now, it will rank you around 65th thousandth place.